Assalamu alaikum. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about the kinds of ism, the kinds of noun. We have three kinds of noun or ism. Number one is jamid, number two is masdar, and number three is mushtaq. Now we will talk about each one of them one by one. For example, jamidun. This is also one of the kinds of noun, and in English for jamid we say a primary noun. So what is a primary noun? A primary noun is a noun which is not derived from another word, and also other words cannot be derived from it. So we say that neither derived from another word nor any other word can be derived from it. For example, we have jamid example as jabalun, and we have another example for jamid which is farasun. Now jabalun means a mountain and farasun means a horse. If you look at the word jabalun, this word is used as a noun for a mountain in Arabic. This word is not derived from any other word. This word is not made from another word. And similarly, other words cannot be made from jabalun. Jabalun is a jamid noun. It is a primary noun. It is stable in its base. Other words cannot be made from it, and this word is also not made from any other words. And similarly, we have farasun. Farasun is the name of horse. So for horse in Arabic we call farasun. Similarly, farasun is a jamid noun. It is a primary noun. It is not derived from any other word, and similarly other words cannot be derived from this word also. That's why it's jamid. The second type or kind of noun we have is masdar or root noun. Now a root noun is basically not derived from any other word, but many other words can be derived from this word, from this noun. So for example, we have two examples of masdar here. One is nasrun and the second example is darbun. So if you look at nasrun, nasrun is a word which is not made from any other word. But we know, as we are learning the short paradigm in our lessons of morphology, our lessons of sarf, we know that there are many words which are derived from this word, which are made from this word, like you are reading them, studying them in the lessons of sarf. And similarly is the darbun. Darbun is a noun which is not derived from any other word, but many other words can be derived from this word. That's why we call it that this is a masdar, a root noun. The third and the last kind of noun that we are going to study today is mushtaq. And mushtaq is any noun which is derived from the root noun, from masdar. So for example, you are studying the short paradigm of nasara yansuru. You might have studied this noun nasirun, and similarly from darbun you will also study daribun, and you also have studied from the short paradigm of nasara yansuru mansurun. Mansurun is also a noun. So this kind of nouns are basically called mushtaq nouns. And mushtaq literally means something which is taken out of another thing. That's why we call these nouns mushtaq, because these are basically taken out of masdar. So that's how we complete our kinds of nouns. There are three kinds of nouns. Number one jamid, primary noun. Number 2, masdar, root noun. And number 3, mushtaq, derived noun. And we have seen their definitions and examples. I hope you understand today's lesson. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Assalamu alaikum.